I am not just a machine. Behind every click, a world runs. I carry the burden of data, process it non-stop.
I am a computer. I turn thoughts into the digital world. Every click, every command passes through me. Sometimes I am fast.
Sometimes I slow down under load, but I never stop. I am the bridge between humans and machines, making every task possible. So, in this video, you will learn about all my hardware components and discover their names, functions, and useful in everyday life. I am the computer screen, the interface through which all your tasks and interactions with the system are brought to life.
I'm the mouse, bro, the king of shortcuts. One click and the job's done. I keep clicking all day, but when the system hangs, why do you keep picking me up and slamming me? I'm the keyboard. I turn your thoughts into action. Every letter you type, I bring it to life. But bro, too much typing? I'm getting tired too.
I'm the CPU box. Every core part lives inside me. Connected, synced, alive. Nothing works without me. Everything connects.
Then the system comes alive. Watch this. I unleash the system. What are you even looking at? Listen carefully. Do you even know what's inside me? Let me introduce.
I keep spinning non-stop just to control the heat. The moment I slow down, everything starts burning. All this performance?
I'm a hard drive, measured in terabytes, not ego. Speed is temporary, but storage is legacy. Even that file from 10 years ago you forgot existed.
I am a power supply, Tay. I deliver power to every part. Without me, no system can even run. One mistake and everything can burn. I am RAM, the system's short-term memory. I grab data at rocket speed, but saving it isn't my job. Slow processing? That's just not on my level.
The heat rises. The pressure builds. But stopping isn't in my system.
I am CPU. I process millions of instructions every second. Even a tiny delay slows everything down. I am the CPU fan, the system's silent protector. I keep spinning non-stop just to control the heat. The moment I slow down,
It's nothing without me. Just an illusion.
I read disks and bring to life the memories and data hidden inside them. I remember the steady hum of a spinning platter and the warm glow of the laser tracing your history. Now everything has moved to USB and the cloud. Just invisible bits floating in the digital air. But I'm still the gateway to those old files, the ones you can actually hold in your hand. I'm still here, waiting in the dust to remind you of where you have been.
I am back ports. I stay at the back, but everything is connected through me. USB, HDMI, audio's out through me.
I am at the front, so you never have to go to the back. Plug in a USB, and the data transfer starts. I'm always ready for your quick connections.
I am microphone port. I capture voice, convert words into signals.
I am a VGA port. I may be old, but showing visuals was my job. I brought the world to
the screen through analog signals. My legacy still lives on.
I wake up first. Don't forget that. I check everything before anything begins. Without me, nothing works. I'm the foundation. I am BIOS/ROM. I am the expansion card. I don't just sit inside. I upgrade everything. More power, more features, more limits broken. I am GamePort. I bring controls alive. Every input turns into action. No response happens without me. I control the game. I am the motherboard. Basically the system's traffic police. CPU, RAM, GPU, everyone runs through me. Without me, they're just lost little parts arguing in the case. I make sure everything talks nicely, or else total chaos. Hey, I'm thermal paste. I squeeze myself between hot parts like a cooling sandwich. I don't look fancy, but without me, your PC turns into a toaster real quick. Blink.
I am HDMI port. I carry your audio and video like a delivery guy on speed. If I'm missing, enjoy no signal drama. I am an SSD. I am speed. I read and write data in a blink. No noise, no delay, just performance. With me, the system flies.
मैं डायरेक्ट कनेक्शन हूँ, स्टेबल, फास्ट और रिलायबल। वाईफाई ड्रॉप हो सकता है, पर मैं कभी डिस्कनेक्ट नहीं होता। स्पीड मेरी गारंटी है।
I am a network card.
I connect the system to that. I understand data packets and...
If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon.